And then of course, ang the third is your glorious moments. At ang malipayon, the victorious moments ni mo. Na ano? Mapapangaluyan ko, di sagot. Ako di ko, pa. Wala na to, no? Oo. Grabe, Tapos glorious moment, ano pa rin ay ang muli siya.
Pila lang ka mo duwa?
Balik naman sa mga, atong nahubog, atong nag-ubag, kasunod ka, sunod pala ha.
Wala kami ng batch.
Nagmaoy, bila ko to, ay So those things, the shameful past, the funny past, and the glorious past. Ano na siya? Sharing ka mo.
Nag-aaral ka na!
Kami pa rin lang yung sa paglaban. Okay na? Nag-aaral na ako. Parin na kami.
So 15 minutes, we will start our program, but don't you worry because your registration will be resumed immediately. Ano ho? So as we will hear the go signal of our organizers, we will all formally start this second Grand Alumni Homecoming! Grabe talaga, nakakapalindig na lahibuhan yung ambience ng celebration natin ngayong araw. Seeing you guys, seeing your familiar faces, seeing your smiles, seeing your everything in you makes the ambience of the celebration hotter and hotter. And the second grand of the formal opening program of our celebration. Yes, we're requesting our faculty and staff by our very own school head, Sir Romeo E. Cabanayan.
As part of our recognition. Ito ang batch 1990, the first batch. School year 1989-1990. As I call your name, mabilisan lang. Ang may damay na graduate ang ako isa-isa na. And then later, kapag tatlo sa next batch, please prepare the back of the batch na nakaprepare na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you walang pabor-pabor itong batch na to. Walang mangyari yan without our first batcher. Go! Pick it up there! Wait tayo. Ang second batch, the strong. Ayan. Nakapasa ka sa MCE. Kami ang nakapasa sa MCE. We are composed of 18, suppose. Sa 18. Wow, ayan. 100 sa I-27.
that I could live without you. Really thought that I could make it on my own. Sent you away, I said I didn't need you. I let you go, I let you go, I let you go. That I'm so lost without you. You're not here, and now I know. Lonely is the night when I'm not with you. Lonely is the night, ain't no light shining through. Till you're in my arms, still you're here by my side. Lonely you're mine. Never thought that I would need you. Never thought that I've been missing you. Gotta get you back, I've just gotta find a way now. To let you know, to let you know, to let you know that I'm so lost without you. Now this world isn't right, lonely